A cancer expert has warned that some common viruses can raise cancer risk, not just tobacco or bad diet. Dr. Sumit Gujral from Mumbai's Tata Memorial Cancer spoke at AIIMS Bhopal. He said unsafe sex, multiple partners, and infections like HPV, Epstein-Barr virus, hepatitis, and H. pylori can damage body cells over time. Even behaviors like late marriage or delayed childbirth may increase certain risks. Doctors say awareness, vaccination, safe relationship, and regular health checkups are important. Expert added that cancer is no longer only linked to age or habits. Early testing and prevention can save lives. Madhya Pradesh is promoting flower farming to help farmers earn more income. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav opened a state-level flower exhibition in Bhopal at the Government Rose Garden. The event will continue for 3 days and is open to the public. Farmers from across the states are learning about modern flower farming, gardening, and protected cultivation. Experts are guiding them on new techniques and export opportunities. The Chief Minister also released a brochure during the event. Minister Narayan Singh Kushwaha and Edel Singh Kanchana attended. The government hopes MP flowers will soon reach international markets and boost farmers' profit. A major fire broke out at an automobile shop on Jail Road in Bhopal, destroying 7 cars parked there. The fire spread quickly and all vehicles were completely burned before firefighters could control the situation. Fire brigade teams reached the spot soon after receiving the alert, but heavy losses had already occurred. The car owner has claimed the incident may be a planned conspiracy. Police have started an investigation to find the exact cause of the fire. No injuries were reported. Authorities are checking CCTV footage and questioning nearby shop owners to understand how the fire started. A shocking incident from Vidisha has raised question about the healthcare system. A pregnant woman was forced to give birth on the roadside because an ambulance did not arrive on time. Family members covered her with an tarpaulin sheet and the baby girl was delivered with the help of mobile torchlight. The woman reportedly waited for 3 hours but no medical help reached. After delivery, she remained lying there for a long time. The incident has triggered public anger and highlighted the need for faster emergency services in rural areas. Health officials say they are investigating the matter. On Mahatma Gandhi's death anniversary, the Congress Party organized a foot march in Bhopal called Chale Ram Raj Ki Or. The march started from Iqbal Maidan and ended at Gandhi Bhavan. Several senior leaders participated, including former Minister P.C. Sharma and former MP Suren Singh Thakur. Party members paid tribute to Mahatma Gandhi and spoke about truth, non-violence, and unity. Leaders said Gandhi's ideas remain relevant in today's political and social life. Supporters carried banners and raised slogans during the march. The event aimed to remind people about Gandhian values and encourage peaceful public participation in democracy. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav will inaugurate Bhairav Lok in Khamdi village of Rewa on Thursday. A special ceremony is planned where the Chief Minister will perform traditional puja rituals and hoist a religious flag at the temple site. Local leaders and villagers are expected to attend the event in large numbers. Authorities say Bhairav Lok will help promote religious tourism in the region and boost local development. Security and administrative preparations are already complete. Officials believe the project will attract more visitors and strengthen the cultural identity of the area while creating new economic opportunities for local residents. Madhya Pradesh is currently experiencing cold weather with dense fog in many districts and a drop in temperatures. The Meteorological Department has warned that weather will change soon. A western disturbance is approaching and rain and hail are expected in parts of the state from January 31st to February 2nd, with showers likely in cities like Bhopal, Indore, Gwalior and Jabalpur. Dense fog has reduced visibility across around 20 to 25 districts, making travel difficult. People are advised to stay updated with local forecast and take precautions while traveling in foggy conditions.